Good morning. This morning I'm going to show you how to set the dip stop on this Phillips boring machine. I started by chucking up a 2-inch bit, and I lowered the bit down to the edge of the timber, which in this case is a plank, because I don't have any timbers on hand at the moment. And I set the depth stop collar to 1 inch because it's only 1.5 inches plank. With the gear engaged, the bit and the corkscrew drive shank is free to bore the hole with the lever engaged. So now I'll bore a hole with a 2-inch bit. Into the sample plank. And the way this machine works is the depth stop collar is going to hit the lever when it's at depth, and it will engage the lift mechanism. Oh, I went over and found a piece of pine. This looks like about a 4x5 or a 3x5. And it's boring a hole. And when the collar, the depth collar, hits the gear, hits the lever, it engages the lift gear. So that I could demonstrate the collar. The collar is going to touch the gear, the latch. The collar is going to touch the latch. And when it does, it automatically engages the lift mechanism. It just clicked. Now as I turn, it pulls the bit out of the wood until it gets to the top. That's the way the automatic return works on this boring machine. That's the purpose of this video, was to show that the depth stop collar hits the latch and allows it to return. Engage, allows it to engage so it returns. So to start boring a hole, you have to flip the latch lever over so that the shaft is free to drop and bore a hole. Very nice machine.